Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the closest Notino store in the Notino app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Notino app. And on the bottom, on the menu bar, you have to tap on the last icon, the profile icon on the right bottom corner. Then here the second option is the stores, and here you can find on the maps the closest store in the country. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.